Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to make computer desktop icons smaller. Here are the steps to make your computer desktop icon smaller on your Windows. First, go to your Windows desktop by minimizing or closing Open Windows. Right click on an empty space on the desktop. Hover your mouse over the View option. Choose Small Icons to make desktop icons smaller. If a small icon is too small or too big, continue with the next steps for fine adjustment. Click once on the desktop so it's active. Hold the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, scroll your mouse wheel down to make icons smaller gradually. Keep scrolling until you reach the size you prefer to. Release the Control key when the size is right. To adjust folder icons, just open File Explorer. Click the View tab at the top. Choose Small Icons, or use Control plus Scroll wheel for custom sizes. Close File Explorer. Your icon size settings will remain saved. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.